Here's an interesting fact for you. It used to be drunk driving was the cause of most accidents in the United States. This past year, do you know what the #1 cause was? Distracted driving. Distracted driving means people talking on their cell phones, making calls, checking the weather, or looking for directions. That's the #1 cause of accident. Michigan has taken a step to alleviate those accidents by imposing some fines that if you're caught driving while texting, actually if you're even just holding your cell phone and not looking at it, you violated the new law. These aren't points on your license. That's the good news. They're not moving violations. But if you're in an accident because you were distracted while you're driving, because you were holding your cell phone, the fine's double. The $100 fine becomes $200, the $250 fine becomes $500. So what should you do? You should just make sure that when you get in your car and you start up your car, if you have a hands-free device like Apple CarPlay, plug it in and put your cell phone in the back seat. Don't have it anywhere where you'd even be tempted to picking it up. Because even as simple picking it up to turn it off, that's against the law. So what happens if you get pulled over? Well, we're not too sure yet because this law is so new, I think all the jurisdictions are going to treat it differently. The law, though, tells you what the penalties can be. For the first offense, it could be $100 and or 16 hours of community service. For the second offense and each one thereafter, $250 and or 24 hours of community service. And for each additional offense, the third and after, you have to take a driver's training course. Here's the problem. The law doesn't tell the jurisdictions how to enforce it. So some places are not going to enforce it at all. I personally don't know anyone who's been ticketed for this yet. How each jurisdiction is going to handle this, we don't know. Some jurisdictions may have the officer just write you a $100 ticket and you go away. Others, you might just be given a court date and you'll have to appear in front of a judge. Tell him or her why you were doing exactly what you're doing and see what the judge sentences you to. Either way, the best thing to do is just don't have your phone either on while you're in the car or have it on a wireless device. Don't have it anywhere where you can reach it because that's just too dangerous. There are several different types of distracted driving. I see people driving down the road and eating a hoagie sandwich. I've seen people driving down the road holding up a newspaper, looking over the top of it at the traffic and driving with their knees. Now, you can get maybe ticketed for that, but in Michigan there's one type of distracted driving that there's a law against. The distraction by using, yes, your cell phone. Even touching it while you're driving where an officer can see you. Whether it's even on or off, even if you're not making a call, even if you're not looking at it, just sitting here like this, holding a phone, is a violation of the new law. Now, you might think, I agree with you. There should be a law that prevents you from being distracted by your cell phone while you're driving. So you pull up to the red light and you think, this is a long light. You know, this light's gonna last red for 2 minutes. There's lots of traffic. I got my foot on the brake. In fact, I put my car into park so I can't move anywhere. So I can obviously pick up my cell phone and talk, or at least look at it because I heard it beep. You can't even look at your cell phone or hold it while stopped at a red light. Even though you're not distracted from driving, even though you're not physically moving your car, that's a breach of this new law. Certainly if you're in an accident and you received a ticket because you're holding your cell phone, that's going to be the least of your worries. There are other violations of the law and you're going to be cited with other tickets and open yourself up, let's face it, to civil prosecution by the person you hurt as a result of your careless behavior. Something you don't want to face.